Welcome back to ColdStart Garage, guys. Today on this episode, we're going to put that big old honk motor on this bike. Yeah, it's only 2-cylinder, but it is heavy. Let's get started. Oh, am I going to hurt myself? Probably. Tell you what, I think I already need a beer. Is my back strong enough for this? Okay. Scooching on over. Oh, my heart rate's already up. That's a good sign. Am I crushing my mic? Yeah. Great. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I think I wore bad pants for this one. Ah! Oh, Jesus H. Christ. Holy Christ, guys. I need a beer immediately. This is not gonna cut it, guys. Hey, you. Put that in there. Really? You're not gonna put that motor in that bike? Well, I guess if you're not gonna do it, I have to do it. You're worthless. See how much oil I can dump on the top end of this. Ow, fingers! I didn't think this out very good. I do have a motorcycle jack now. But here's the thing. I don't have a bottle jack for it. Or do I? I'm gonna go check something. I don't have to pull it back out. So it doesn't have, well, it has a bottle jack over there, but I don't know if it will work. But I'm just hoping just the leverage, let go! The leverage alone will get it where I need it to be. Different angle of the dangle. Drag you back out of there, you heavy son of a gun. Ah! It'll drag you. Well, I guess that's just the way that is for right now. Well, I'll just try to shimmy it in. At least it gives me a couple inches closer, I guess. Sweating. A little tilt. A little tilty tilt. I don't know. Am I qualified to even be doing this? This thing what could be useful if I could jack her up? Okay. Oh, yeah. Derp. What I really need is another hand. Okay, wedge a car jack in here. I'm gonna try. Number 2 priority. Get a bottle jack that works. Get in there. You're annoying me! Oh boy. I'm scared. I probably should be, shouldn't I? Don't try this at home. Good, I didn't put no room on this side. Oh boy. Oh, my fingers are gonna get annihilated. I'm gonna push this off the stand. Look at this freaking thing. Guys, do I seem scared or what? Are you guys having fun? I'm not. Oop, taking this off now. This leg's in my way. There, got all the room now. Am I sweating through my shirt yet? Probably. Alright. Try that again. You know what? I think I'm gonna take these off. Right there next to the ground. That one too. Get in your home. Oh my God. I need to celebrate. I got one bolt started. Well, boys, and maybe the one girl that watches this, we're gonna celebrate the one bolt I got installed so far. Bush lattes. Stop messing around. Get in there! Also, yelling at it's not gonna help. Ah! Now stop! Let go of me! Oh, Jesus H. Christ! Woo-hoo! You see that? No, I'm not drunk. I promise you, I'm on my 4th sip of the beer today. I'm normally... Guys, I'm sorry though. I'm the way I am. I'm sorry. I'm just some idiot in a shed having fun all by himself. I'm gonna hit it with a hammer. I mean that too.
Mom needs help with something to put something together.
Alright, I'll be in 5 minutes. What was I doing? I keep getting interrupted, guys. Oh yeah, I was gonna hammer it. Was. I still am. There, you don't need those threads. Bolt, a couple bolts. Andrew, thanks for this half-ass motorcycle lift. I gotta fully ass it one of these days. Well, look at that. Get over here, guys. You're missing out. There it is, guys. I am still out of breath. What do you think I should do with these bolts? Should I replace them? I could probably do it one at a time. If I get 2 comments on this video to replace these mounting bolts, I'll replace them. I know one of you, Freak Build Fix channel, I think that's who you are. I know you're a strong supporter of me replacing these bolts. This engine is a structural part of the frame. I might talk myself into it. Well, let me know if you guys think I should. Guys, thanks for watching me struggle through this engine install from start to finish. I'm gonna do some other stuff off camera. If you want to see the playlist, come here. If you want to see more of me, click the subscribe button. Thanks very much, guys. Excuse me while I get back to work.